Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to use customer data to grow your Shopify store. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Sidekick. Then we can enter. Now it is processing. Here we can see it is suggesting understanding the customer, grouping them and sending the right messages. So by targeted marketing, automate with Shopify Flow, etc. So now let's apply. First, to view customer data, go to customers. Here you can see the customer data, that is name, location, orders, etc. This help you understand who your customer are. Next, for target the right people, we have to group the customers. So click on segments, then click on create segments, then here describe customers who purchased more than once. Click on enter. So it is done. So save the changes, give any customer with more than one product. Click on save. So it has been created. So go to the segment. So the customer with more than one product grouped by segment. So next we can send target emails. So go to the marketing and click on campaigns. Here click on create campaign. So here we can see we need app installation. So we can manually turn by collect customer email ID from customer. So click on customer, click on a customer name. So here we can see the email ID so that we can set email directly from our Gmail, like new customer with welcoming message and all customer with discount. So now we can check the analytics so that we can make better decision. So here we can see 110 customer visited our store, but customer didn't check out the process. It is 0%. So that is the problem. We have to fix that. So customer data help you understand what people like and how to sell better. So this is how you can use customer data to grow your Shopify store using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.